अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक होंगे। In today's video we are going to talk about how to get and set up free oven server, and we are going to use Oracle Cloud free tier account. I already have created an one account. One credit card is required to create an one account, so you can only use one credit card for one account. So I already created and I am going to sign into Oracle Cloud. You will click here start for free and fill the form and submit and enter your payment information. It will just cut 1.5 USDT from your credit card to validate your payment method, and after some time it will return to you. Okay, it is completely free, so don't worry. Cloud account name, I am going to log in my cloud account name. Now it will redirect me to the login page. I choose the Mumbai server, you can choose your nearest. Here put your username or email and password. Click sign in, and I set up the Google Authenticator here, so I have to put the code. Click verify. It will verify the information and log into your account. In few days, in last 15 days, 15 to 20 days, I tested many servers, many OS and many cloud, many panels. Like I already running there. Here you can see server2.drwebdevs.com is running on 10,000 port virtual min. Okay, here virtual min is running. I already running some PHP scripts here, search.grwebdevs.com, running PHP script and SaaS based school software PHP script, and restaurant management. Here you can see there, and restaurant management. Here it's running correctly and fine, but in today's video we are going to delete my created server and recreate, so you know how to create it. I'm going to delete this and also this one also. All thing is working in virtual min also, but I am just showing you how to install cloud panel. That is good. So go to overview. First click here and compute and instances. Okay, click instances. It will choose, if it's showing this one, yes, click there and choose this one. It will show you server2.grwebdevs.com, and I'm going to delete this one, so we will create it again. Okay, terminate. Click terminate and I acknowledge. Terminate. Now it's terminating. Click create instance and enter here anything like server1.grwebdevs.com, and in the shape we are going to use Ubuntu. Click Ubuntu. Click 22.04 version, that is perfect. I think I tested. Ampere, click here the Ampere and click this one. Here you will get, you don't believe, you will get a 4 core CPU and 24 GB RAM. Here you can see that. Click OK, select. Here you can see that 4 core CPU, 24 GB RAM and 4 GB network bandwidth. Okay, and all is okay. Make sure to set your server name like server1.grwebdevs.com, and now go to there, save private key, save public key, and specific custom boot volume is 200 GB, You in the free account you get 200 GB for free, and in VPU 120. Set it to max to get the max performance. Okay, and now you will click on create. Okay, now it will create it. I'm happy and it's now working. Now go to Cloudflare, log into Cloudflare to use this server. Your domain, like my domain is registered in Hostinger, and I pointed it to Cloudflare, like I connected it to Cloudflare. Then I go to records and delete this one, not needed, rpos don't needed, and school I needed, server 2 don't needed. Okay, now I'm going to delete these 3 records. What is my server IP? Here it will be show. Okay, now click add record, just follow my steps. First and second, here if you have this record grwebdevs.com, and don't delete this one, and mx record txt does not need it. If you want to delete, if you know how about them, you can delete it. Okay, and it's just provisioning. After its start, here will be public IP4, where we are going to point our domain name. Like I am going to create server 1. You can also create anything like cpanel. I'm going to server1.grwebdevs.com, and it's taking time right now. I don't know, but in mostly cases it just take 2 to 3 minutes. Well, here we go. Our public IP address, copy it and paste it here, and click proxy status untick and click save. Here it will be create an subdomain, and we are going to connect to our server, so easily open our server. So now open the mobile extreme software. You can also use putty, but in putty and bitwise ssh client I did not get any response mostly, but so I'm using mobile extreme. That is good, I think. Oh, I think extension is blocking this one. Mobile extreme, you can download it from here. Okay, let's open it. After the software open, you will need to create the session. Click ssh. Here it paste the this, and specific the username Ubuntu, that is also written there, username. And now go to advanced, use private key, click here, select the private key you downloaded, and next I'm going to create an bookmark on the desktop. Click OK, click OK, and it will open the. Okay, now run this command sudo su minus, run this command apt update. And after this command, run apt upgrade. It is depend on your selected region, so how fast the server you get it. Sometime it show disconnectivity error, so don't worry about it, just reconnect. Now press Y, enter. And don't worry, I will give you the commands in the description, and you just need to copy and paste and follow the video. You will get an complete hosting panel for free. So we are going to use cloud panel here. But cloud panel, sorry, I just remember that in cloud panel when I testing, there are issue like in the file manager, where the issue is the file is not uploading. I tried from the FTP server, FTP client, FileZilla, and also the file manager that is provided by the Cloud Panel also. So but let's try. Maybe there was an error when I am trying it and testing it. So let's go to get started. Click on other and go to this 1 to 22 and select this 10.11 that we are going. You can choose your preferred MariaDB 10.6, MariaDB 11.4, MySQL 8.0. I'm going to 10.11. Okay. So this is the command, just one command to install it completely. While it's this one is doing air work, I'm just we are going to check there if the DNS record is pointed to the IP. To check this, go to DNS checker and enter your domain name, like subdomain name. Click air code and click it. So it's pointing to the IP on all regions, in all regions. Okay, that's it. Here we, until it's working, I'm just going to edit these also to point to the server IP. So this is the server IP. Okay, copy and just paste it. So your all domains and subdomains will point to this server. Okay. 99% it's done right now. So what you need to do is first, let's go to ChatGPT and I will give you the command in the description, but you can also use the ChatGPT, and I already have the command there in the guide. Here set the hostname. To check the current hostname, run this command and it's 97%. It will show you to reboot the system. Okay, now copy this command and right click of the mouse to as control V does not work there, and now it's showing server static hostname is server 1 minus and minus. Okay, now to set the hostname, we are going to use this command. Just replace your name, subdomain, or your domain name. Sudo hostname set hostname, there, from there to there, set your one, not copy my one. Okay, copy this one and just paste there and press enter. Okay, now let's check it out again. Run this command to check it. Now server1.grwebdevs.com. okay, now reboot now, and it will reboot the server after 1 minute or 2 minutes. Just click on just press R, it will reconnect. Now go there and copy this command also, which one you want to install, like 22.04. Here you can see there, there's 22.04. okay, Arch 64-bit, and Next is you need to choose the database engine. I'm going to MariaDB 10.11. That is recommended and working well, stable version. Now press R here. It will reconnect and run the sudo su minus command to run as an root user. Run this command to log in as root user. It will show you root at the rate server, not ubuntu at the rate server. Now paste the command and press enter. Now you make sure to you need an stable internet connection for this. While if your connection cut while it's working, then you will need to create and on the server again, like terminate this one and create from the start new one. If you get an error like shutdown and your computer restart or anything error, if you found, you need to create the server again. If you are not able to create this one, I'm also here to help you. You just need to comment in the comment box below. I will help you. Also you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. I'm going to show you here. If you are from Pakistan, you just need to you know that this one is Pakistan for. And if you are from origin, you will type like this one, plus 92327, and message me on WhatsApp. Okay, I will surely help you, try my best. So if you are getting some educational from my channel, so please subscribe it and share my video to your friends who needed free hosting and does uh, not able to call get the hosting from servers like Hostinger and other hosting companies. They can able to create free server and own server. There your data is secured and does not you will have an full access on your server. You can manage it, but there are some cons of it, like you will have to manage your server own and security related risks, you will have to manage them also. And other things like there in the Oracle Cloud free account, you will does not get support if your server down like this. Your server is down and your website, all websites you hosted on this server will be down, and you will not able to do anything because this is an free account. So just use, if you does not have a free, if you just does not have a paid hosting account or any hosting account, and you are not able to purchase it. Okay, so it's working. If it's stuck, then you will need to do it again. If it show you and network errors, many time it show me, but right now it's I hope it work just so does not waste over time. It's 80% done, I think. It's showing 80%. Let's close this one and this also. So after this, after the server setup installed, I will host an WordPress website for testing purpose only, to show you how it works and it is real, and I will give you as an proof. I will show you how to install an WordPress website in it, so you know about and easily install your WordPress and get your website online. Right now if you check my website, my main website is just down because I just deleted the server in front of you. and on which my website is hosting. So now I'm just creating it again to show you how to create it and how to use it until Oracle Cloud is supporting it. Here it's just showing us an catch. It's showing us an catch. If I delete cookies and delete the catch, and it will does not work because my website is not working right now. I pointed it to the server and server is not set up yet. Okay, 48. In this cloud panel you will also get a 7.1 to 8.4 version. I think that is very good. You can choose from 7.4, 7.8.1, 8.3, 8.4, 8.2, any version, any PHP script you are installing required. And in the cloud panel they use Nginx, that is faster than Apache, but some PHP scripts required Apache, not Nginx. So if you are going to host an script that required Apache, so I suggested you to install the virtual min cloud virtual min panel, that is use Apache, and also support any PHP script, any PHP version. You can install it easily just by entering few commands in the terminal. Like in the cloud panel, it's just installing it auto and configuring it auto. You just does not need to do anything. You will get an interface, user friendly interface, where you will just manage all the websites, all the users, all the things on the interface. You does not need to go to the terminal mostly, in most cases. But in the virtual main you will need the help of terminal to do some required tasks, like installing extra extensions, and also installing extra PHP versions. You will just get an one version when it installed, like 8.1 or 8.2 just, and other versions like 7.1 to 8.4 latest version, you will need to install them manually by entering commands in the terminal. So it's just done. Cloud panel is just installed, and 97%. Okay, rules added, firewall is active. Okay, okay, needs restart. Okay, okay, congratulations, and our cloud panel is installed and is able, now we are able to access it through here. So one step that I missed in is subnet. Okay, you will need to open the ports manually. So what you need to do is, wait, I show you. Open your server, like where, how to open this, go to there and click this one, compute and instances, then this page show, then click your server that is running. It's just stuck to, I don't know why. Maybe there's an internet connection error in my on my side. Let's go to overview. Maybe it work. Okay, it's working now. Go to instances. Okay, now click server 1. Here the step is one. Why we are not going to access this one is you need to do this step before. Go to this section and there click there, and we are going to open the ports that it also tell us. It did not tell in the virtual minute or other panels like cyber panel. It tell that open these ports in your server. So going to this and go to default list of, and there will be show you a list of open ports. I already opened some ports. Mostly you will need to open them as 80, 443 and 20, 21, and this one also, and 8443 port. Cloud panel port I already opened, and virtual min port, cyber panel port I am just, when I am just testing, I open them to for testing purpose only. So here you can see cyber panel's email port, but email did not work because 25 port is closed by server administrator. So you need to contact their hosting, or you need to purchase their premium plan to enable email services. So we are going to use SMTP, external SMTP services like Zoho email. So the main topic, how to add the port. Just click add ingress rules. Here write 0.0.0.0/0, and here open the port, any port you want to open, like in our case this one 8443, and write the port here 8443, and description is optional like cloud panel port for remembering purpose only. This is only remembering purpose. You want to remember cloud panel port, and just open the port, open the URL, sorry, here copy this one and paste it in the server, and it will show you an SSL error. If it working, then oh sorry, one step we are that forget, you need to reboot the server one time to work it. Now just go to instances and reboot the server one time. So how to reboot it? Just click reboot and reboot instance. It will reboot the server in just 5 to 10 minutes. It depends on running processes. It will close them and off the machine and reboot it, turn on it. Now server host name is server 1. Okay, stopping it. While it's stopping, just copy this. If it show you an SSL error, then that's mean your installation is successfully, and you are going to next step, that is create an admin account. So it is recommended to create the admin account as soon as possible, because on the website bots are checking. It is recommended by also cloud panel when you go to installation. And yeah, there's for the security reason, you can read it, this one. So it's stopping just now. Okay, running, refresh. Okay, it's showing an SSL error. That is not good, but click proceed. Now enter your admin account details like this one, and enter your password, any password you want to set, and choose your time zone, like my one is Karachi. Okay, now click agree and click create user, and remember this username and password to log in, because there is no email service working, so you does not able to, so you will not able to for when you press and enter your username and password and click login, it will show you an admin dashboard, so showing an cloud panel admin dashboard. Congratulations if you installed it and successfully seeing this on your screen. And now go to admin area. So you are not going to remember this because we are going to set up an subdomain here that we created like server one, and then we are also install an SSL in it also. Go to settings, here enter this, and make sure to that your domain is pointing to the server IP. This is the public IPv4. So here it's showing, and click save. If your server is installed correctly and your name server and your domain is hosting pointing to the server IP correctly, then you will see this one, cloud panel custom domain has been added. And after some time, like after 1 to 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, you can able to access this your panel from this name. So I'm just not going to this, just go to back to sites, and I'm just going to finishing this video because the video is too much long right now, 32 minutes, and I'm just going to show you an WordPress website how to create it in it. Like I'm going to host this one. Okay, WordPress, add site, click add site, and create a WordPress site, any domain like wordpress.jrwebdevs.com, and test blog. Okay, username and password, anything you set there. Okay, like I'm going to set this one. You can also log in there. I'm not going to change this one because I does not needed this. If you want multi-site, click yes. Okay, site user remain as a set user for the site. Okay, just press click create. It will take some time, just 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, make sure that your domain is pointing to the IP, then it will work on the, and DNS only, proxy status should be DNS only. Okay, this is MX Yahoo records. I already added and I know that about them, so I'm not going to delete them. You can also delete other records. Here our WordPress site has been created, and host name is this, port is this, database name, username, password, admin username, password. Okay, IP, admin name, domain name. Okay, and back to sites. Click on this site and install the SSL certificate, and action new let's encrypt certificate. So a DNS record pointing to this server is required to issue a let's encrypt certificate, so make sure this is required. Okay, just click create. It will create an certificate from let's encrypt automatically, and it's also renew it auto. You does not need to worry about them. Okay, it's creating, certificate has been installed. Okay, let's go to access it. Just press this one, it will open the website. Here you can see that WordPress and running, and now click here wp admin. It will redirect to us on this one is the password, and username I think not this one or this one. Let's check it out. Okay, use email. Okay, just click login. It will log into the user dashboard, admin dashboard, and click plugin or parents. Any theme plugin and is installing and working. I'm just going to show and one install and activate them. Like uh, let's choose this, or you can choose anyone like this one, TV and one. Click activate. You can see that everything is working fine. And I'm going to recommended actions. Install this one. Install. Okay, let's go to one click installer info home to install this, or you can install this one also. Let's say for this with this one, or this one also. Activate. Go to the next step, install this demo, import in XML data. Okay, here you will see that the server is just not consuming anything. Big dashboard, here you can get the statistics. Server statistics 1%, load average is 1.57%. Okay, 15% does no load on the disk, and no load on the memory, and no load on the CPU. Okay, that's good. Okay, demo imported, see the result. Let's check it out the website. Okay, you can see the website load fast. Okay, let's go to this one. So I know that I just installed an dummy demo, and does not installed many plugins, many themes, and many other setups, things, posting pages does not created. Okay, but let's check it out, its performance from page speed and GT metrics, also from both. Click analyze, and here click test now. We are going to check it out, the speed and performance. So this is the just video in which I show you how to set up the server, how to install the panel, and how to run your website. you can install PHP script and reverse proxy and many other options here. You when you click there sites and go to create site, add site, you will see there create a WordPress, PHP, Node.Js, static HTML, Python, reverse proxy. You can create these also. Okay, this is the report. B grade 76% performance, 94% structure, and total blocking time is 0 ms and layout shift is 0.01. That is great. Let's check it out there. 98% performance and 67% performance. Speed index is good. Total blocking time, that is from the server, and this is the website layout and theme and plugins options. This is the from server, this also server. Okay, let's check it from desktop. 0 ms, that's great. And on the desktop it's all perfect. Okay guys, this is the video in which I show you how to set up your free server on the Oracle Cloud, how to create an server to host your websites. In next videos, I will try to explore and show you an other video how to install virtual min. If in future I will install it virtual min again. Now I'm just going to use Cloud Panel for some days to test it out, and in the end I will create a video and delete this server and install another server and open the another server, create another server and install virtual min in it and show you how to install it, set up it, and how to create WordPress website in it. So this is the video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video and share with your friends who need it. Thanks. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.